Thank you, McNeil Racing.
Wrapped really well.
Good.
Yeah.
Here we go, guys. Unboxing.
Ah.
There you go. Crack. Damn it.
What?
Crack.
Seriously?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, I see it. Gosh, freaking darn it.
Ooh, that's not good. That's a bad crack.
That sucks.
Well, unboxing, folks. That's kind of not good.
Oh, there's another one on that side.
That's pretty flexy.
Yeah, let's see. There's a tiny hairline one right on the offset.
Shoot.
Well, let's see if there's any on the other one.
That's a passenger bedside. That's a bummer. Slip it up.
Bummer.
Yeah. Looks like it wasn't, I don't know, fully cured right there too. I don't know.
Might have been a bad fiberglass mix.
Huh.
The fronts are okay by the look of the thing. Those don't really look damaged at all to me. Well, a little rough on that one, that front corner right there. You see that?
Yeah. Yeah, a little bit right there. But, I mean, nitpicking, I mean, it can be, this is the problematic spot right there. That's
a spot with high flex anyways. It's gonna be really weak right there in the middle.
Yeah.
Especially with that dip right there.
Otherwise, pretty bitchin'.
Yeah. Yeah, other than that one crack, I can't wait to get these front ones on. Those are gonna look great.
Pretty thick. Pretty good.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
seems
we definitely gonna have to
robust.
sand them up. For sure. Man, look how wide that is.
That's gonna be great. This is a 4-inch bulge, right?
Yeah. So yeah, these are 2x4s, so 2 inches high, 4 inches wide. Bulge. Oh, super light.
Yeah, this will cut down on the body weight of the truck. This is gonna be great.
Go McNeil. Yeah, this will be fun. Let's go have a looky-loo. Yeah, bitchin'. So sick.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there we go.
Yeah, this is gonna totally disappear. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Every once in a while it happens. You order something and when it comes in, it's damaged. This is what happened to us when we ordered our new fiberglass bedsides for our truck. So we decided to show you all how to fix your bedsides if you also have this problem. As always, when using any chemicals, be sure to use the proper PPE and work in a well-ventilated area. Thinking through your process from start to finish will also help you in the long run, so you can foresee any potential problems before you even start working.
So we're gonna start with the sanding first. I guess that's the big dog stuff. This is 80. I got some other sandpaper, hopefully I forgot to check. But anyways, we're gonna sand the underside of this and we're gonna get the sanding first and then we'll go to the resin. So this is the side that had the stress fracture, I guess we could call it. And so since it was pretty wobbly and we're obviously having to work fairly quickly, did a little super glue job to kind of hold this crack in place. Can't really see it now. So it holds, it squeezed the fracture part together. So if you can see it, that is the part that was fractured. So we actually probably should have ran a little more cloth up that side, but we didn't. So I feel like we're doing pretty good. I don't know, those of you that do this professionally or maybe done it a few more times, guess you could judge us in the comments. The idea is to not have any air bubbles, which will be weak points, and to get a good lather on it, I guess, if you will. I actually might need a little bit more for this side. So the reason we're also sticking it here is because if you guys remember on the other side, this is our cut line somewhere in here. And since I don't know exactly where that's at, until I build the bumper to get that line exactly where I want it, I just decided to kind of fill this whole area. And then fortunately and unfortunately, we'll have to come back and do that 90-degree break wherever that line is, just slightly after, or roll just like this is, to reinforce that spot instead of just having it a straight line cut. It's funny how you do one side and sometimes it goes more smooth than the other. I guess that's going to be cut off, so I'm trying to get those air bubbles out. I think we did good. I hope we did good.
No, I know we did good. I feel like it doesn't take that much to be an expert at fiberglass. What you want to do is make sure you don't have any air bubbles and come back and obviously sand off your sharp bits. So this area right here, where you can see the stress fracture, where we actually just kind of like welded that up with the super glue. We left our the raw edge kind of high. We'll just come back in with the DA or sand or whatever, just take that down flat so that we're not cutting ourselves on that as we work on the truck. And then as Derek was saying, this is just going to be a cut line anyways, so as we're not entirely certain where we're going to cut, we just made our reinforcement kind of wide, and that way we have extra room to play around with what we've got going on. And then up here, there is a stress fracture. It's almost like there was a band or something that sort of cut crosswise, it being directly across from the crack. So right there's a bunch of just like little fracture marks. And we just took a piece, laid it right over the top, and hopefully that'll be good to go.
If this video helped you in any way, send us a thumbs up. And as always, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more adventures.